To watch this video in Hindi, go to the settings and select Hindi audio. Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. We all want our homes to always be clean and organized. But creating an organized home requires discipline and continuous efforts. This is definitely not a one-day job. But big tasks can be completed only with small efforts. There is no need for expensive organizers to have an organized home. In fact, we can create smart and functional organizers from household items easily available at home. I have already made many videos on this topic. You can find the link to the playlist in the description box. Today I am going to share some more ideas which can help you organize your home without spending anything. Let's get started. Shoe boxes are common find in most households and they serve as excellent storage solutions. To enhance their appearance, I take a box and open it completely, folding it back from the other side so that the plain part faces upwards, giving it a neater look. If desired, you can paint it or decorate by covering it with fabric or using decorative paper. I have also taken empty egg cardboard boxes which have sections given inside. I have removed their upper sides. I will place them within this larger box, creating additional compartments. This arrangement transforms the larger box into a versatile storage unit. It is ideal for storing various items such as tools, stationery, or craft supplies. Not only does it neatly organize these items in one place, but it also maximizes space utilization. Now let's check out how we can repurpose waste plastic paint boxes and take out containers to create a fantastic DIY organizer. For this, I have utilized a metal memo board that was lying around at home. Using simple binder clips, we can attach these boxes to the memo board in various positions according to our preference. I have opted for two larger containers at the top, smaller ones below, and rectangular box placed at the bottom. These clips securely hold these containers, ensuring they remain stable. Now that the organizer is assembled, let's see how we can use it. It can be installed above a study desk to neatly organize children's stationery and art supplies. Especially beneficial when there are not enough drawers or if they're already full. This setup maximizes extra space to create storage and keep the desk clutter-free. This arrangement not only makes items easily accessible but also ensures a tidy and organized workspace for children. When we buy appliances, their boxes often end up as waste. Today I will show you how to create a wonderful DIY storage basket from one of these sizable boxes. First, I remove 3 sides from the top opening of the box, leaving one intact. To add a touch of style, I used an old leftover wallpaper I found at home, a beautiful piece that once adorned our beautiful walls. Using hot glue, I covered the entire box with this wallpaper, leaving only the backside uncovered. For the open top, I measured and cut two pieces of thin cardboard, joining them together for added strength. Attaching this piece to the remaining top side. This piece acts as a lid for the basket. I covered the lid and the box backside with the wallpaper. The interior of the lid was also covered to maintain a neat appearance when opened. I repurposed an old drawer knob and attached it on the box with the help of a screw. I made a loop with the decorative craft rope at the top to create a closure for the lid. The wallpaper was really beautiful and I did not feel to decorate the basket any further. This tall hamper is now ready for use, serving as a stylish storage solution for any corner of the house. Whether it's children's toys, school bags or essential items, this hamper provides ample space. Its decorative appeal makes it a charming addition to any room. Let's take a look at some small cardboard boxes lying around the house. These boxes have good length and width but lack depth, which we can cleverly utilize. First, I removed the sides from the top, opened it and folded it back from the other side so that the plain part faces upwards, giving it a neater look. Now I have taken two tall boxes typically used for bottle packaging. Again, I opted to open these up and neaten their appearance, but covering them with the cloth or decorative paper is also an option. Now gluing these boxes together. I repurposed these boxes for a deep cabinet to organize items like notebooks, files and gift wrapping papers. The files are arranged in the larger box and rolls of gift wrapping paper in the tall boxes. This segregation allows easy access to any item, even those nestled in the middle of the boxes. Moving on to another similar box with shallow depth, I transformed into a stylish book organizer. After removing the top sides, I made diagonal cut from the top to the midpoint on its front and back. To enhance its appearance, I used a marble look vinyl sheet to cover both sides. With the help of scotch tape and glue, I have put back the box together, resulted in a stunning marble themed book holder. It is perfect for desk use to store books and diaries, or can be tucked into a cabinet to keep notebooks neatly arranged. Empty shuttlecock boxes can serve as excellent organizers for kitchen tools. I took 2 of these boxes and covered them with vinyl sheets. In one of our kitchen drawer designated for baking items, organizing the cake knives, skewers and rotisserie rod was a bit challenging. Now by vertically arranging these tools within the tall shuttle boxes, accessing them has become incredibly convenient. Last but not the least, paper shopping bags, a common find in many households, can be repurposed into new gift bags. Starting with the red colored wrapping paper, I cut 2 heart shapes of the same size. These hearts were used to hide the writing on the bags. After applying hearts on both sides, the bags looked brand new and ready for gifting. Making the second bag for children. I utilized foam cutouts in shapes of a car and airplane from my son's stationery box. I placed these cutouts strategically to cover the existing writing on the bag. And voila, in no time, customized gift bags for kids were ready. Creating bags from shopping bags can be a lifesaver when you are short on traditional gift bags. That's all about this video. I hope you find these DIY ideas useful for organizing your space. Which idea did you like the most? Let me know in the comment section. See you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.